Are you struggling with low FPS in your games? Want to get the best performance out of your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming and get higher FPS with just simple tweaks. Stay till the end for a bonus tip that can dramatically boost performance. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Step number 1. Disable background apps. Windows runs many apps in the background which can slow down your games. Let's turn them off. So first, go to start button or the search bar. In here you can search for settings and click on the setting button. From here you want to go to apps and installed apps. Click on that, and here you see a list of all apps that you have installed in your PC. So in the 3 dots in the right corner, you click and you can see more options. Some of apps are not running in the background, like Mozilla Firefox, so I'm going to skip that. So for example, this one, I'm gonna click on the 3 dots here and you can see the advanced options. So when I click on that, you must see set background app permission to never. Once you've done that, let's move to the step number 2, which is disable Xbox game bar and game DVR. The Xbox game bar records gameplay in the background using up system resources, so that decrease your FPS in games and affect your performance. So we need to disable that as well. So go to settings from here and gaming, and then game bar. So you need to disable this, so turn it off and go back to game mode and make sure you turn that on. It is optimizing your PC for play by turning this off in the background, so you need to turn it on. All right, so once you've done that, we can jump to the step number 3, which is disable core isolation, memory integrity. The security features can reduce the gaming performance, so we need to disable it. So how to do that? Go to settings and privacy and security, Windows security, and disable security. Device security. Under core isolation, click memory integrity and turn it off. This will free up CPU resources and boost FPS. Move on to step number 4. Turn off Virtualization-Based Security. It's called VBS. Can reduce FPS by up to 10 to 15% in some games. Search for Regedit, and you must do that from your search bar. Just click Regedit like so and click on that. It will open up the registry of your Windows. So I'm gonna give you the path that you must go. I'll leave it in description below. In here you wanna go to HK local machine and then system and current control set. I will click on that, and then control, and then device guard. Here it is. So in my case, I don't have it because I'm running a Windows from Ghost Spectrum, if you know that guy. It is a fast Windows. They did modify the Windows and they removed some of the apps and backgrounds and stuff to make the Windows run better. So in your case, if you find it, it's called enabled virtualization-based security. So you want to click on that, and you want to click on it, double click on it, and set the value to 0 and click OK. That's it, and you need to restart your computer. Let's move on to step number 5, which is disable startup programs. From here you need to right click and click on task manager, and then you go to startup. This is startup apps. You need to disable all of them. All of them is not necessary. When you need an app, you can manually open it up. Okay, so in my case I disable all of them, I guess. Like this one, I'm not need this one. I'm not gonna need this. And this one too. We want to disable all of them. Disable. So I need Razer Cortex. This Razer Cortex help me to increase my performance. That's it for this step. We're moving on to step 6, which is set power plan to high performance. How to do that? Simply go to search bar and click power, edit power plan, like so, and go to power options from here, and you can select ultimate performance or high performance, whatever you want. Once you've done that, we're going on to step number 7, which is disable the transparency effect. This is really affects your performance. How to do that? Right click on your desktop and go to personalize, and then from here you go to theme, color, and you can see transparency effects right there. Just turn it off. You don't need the effects while you are running a game or you are playing. You need more FPS. All right, jump into step number 8, which is disable Windows Update while gaming. When you launch your game and you wanna play that game, and you don't need actually Windows Update to keep running in the background, so you need to go to Windows Update from here, and you need to pause update. Like choose 1 week or whatever, just pause, and then when you need the updates, just click on resume updates. That's it. Now I'm going to show you another feature that you need to disable, which is Hyper-V for max FPS. It does really affect your performance, so you need to type in the search bar turn Windows features on or off. Just type that, it's a control panel, and click on it, and you need to uncheck the Hyper-V right there. Check it like so, and you need to uncheck this. Just click OK, and you need to restart the computer. Last thing I'm gonna show you guys is you wanna go to search bar again and type view advanced system settings, and click on that and click on settings from here, and you need to adjust for the best performance and check all the marks here and click apply. And when you need to add effect or something to your Windows, you need to go back and then change it to the best appearance, which I don't really recommend when you are running a game. That's it for this video, guys, and you will see a big improvement in your FPS if you do that. And to be honest, if you have an old computer, old CPUs, GPUs, you need to upgrade, because this is not only the solution. To be honest, you need to upgrade your hardware to get more good experience in gaming. So as I said, that's it. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment below if you don't understand something, or if you want to suggest anything. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.